Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment ABCs of supply chain week second graded assessment. Now the first question is, how can companies build strong supplier relationships? So these are the options: by treating suppliers as adversaries and focusing on price negotiations, by stabilizing clear communication channels and fostering open and honest communication, by avoiding any form of collaboration or information sharing with suppliers, by focusing solely on short-term transactional relationship. So the answer of our first question is B. Now the second question is, how can companies ensure ethical sourcing practices? So these are the options: ignoring social and environmental concern to focus on cost reduction, prioritizing the cheapest suppliers regardless of their ethical practice, conducting regular audits of supplier facilities to assess working conditions and environmental impact, focusing solely on maximizing profits for the sourcing company. So the answer of our second question is C. Now, the third question is, how can companies ensure fair and unbiased supplier evaluation? So these are the options: by relying solely on the opinions of purchasing managers, by stabilizing clear and objective evaluation criteria, by favoring suppliers with the lowest price regardless of other factors, by avoiding any formal evaluation process. So the answer of our third question is B. Now, the fourth question is, how can companies leverage technology to improve communication and collaboration with suppliers? So, these are the options: by using email and phone calls exclusively, by relying solely on face to face meetings, by avoiding the use of any technology in suppliers' relationship, by implementing cloud based platform for collaboration and information sharing. So, the answer of our fourth question is D. Now, the fifth question is, how can companies mitigate the risk of relying on a single supplier? So, these are the options: by implementing a single sourcing strategy for all purchases, by avoiding any diversification of suppliers, by developing a strong relationship with a single reliable supplier, by implementing multiple sourcing strategies and diversifying the supplier base. So, the answer of our fifth question is D. Now, submit your answer. Thank you, friends, for watching this video.